Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Dave app stuck on loading screen with a spinning circle that just never stops? This is almost always a network issue, not your account. Here's how to fix it in 30 seconds. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close the Dave from your recent apps completely. Now go to your settings and then turn Wi-Fi off. Just toggle it off and switch to your mobile data. Then reopen the Dave app. Apps like Dave often get trapped in a broken Wi Fi session, and switching to mobile data creates a fresh, clean connection. If Dave loads on mobile data, your Wi Fi was the problem. Fix it by going back to the settings and then tapping the letter I next to your network and tapping forget this network, then reconnecting. If it's still stuck on mobile data too, open your browser and then search for Downdetector and there search for the Dave app. And if the Dave servers are down or having issues right now, you see it there and just need to wait a bit. So all you've got to do is close the app, switch to mobile data, and if it's still stuck, check Downdetector for Dave outage. Loading problem solved. Subscribe for more Dave app fixes.